Hey guys, I'm just getting to work now. I'm running a little bit late. Our power was out this morning. I'm not sure why. I guess the weather? I don't know, but it was windy last night, so maybe that's why, but the power did come back on while I was home, so that's good. Seamus is night shift tonight, so he will be home around 2 until around 2. Be home in case it goes out again. I just get nervous with Chip home by himself if something was to happen to the power. So I'm gonna head into work now and I will see you after. Hey guys, it's much later. I'm home from work now. I got a call from Nova Scotia Power saying that we were gonna have a planned power outage between 2 and 3. So I thought by the time I got home, it would be back on, but I got my little flashlight out, my little lantern, because we have no power at all right now. So I could get in the shower and get a cold shower, but I think I'm just gonna wait a little bit to see if the power comes back on. My supper's already cooked. I just have to heat it up. So my parents are home from their vacation. They just got home, so I'm going to take my my food over there to heat it up and eat it there. I already fed Chippy. I have leftovers from last night. Chicken and vegetables. You can't really see, but I'm gonna take those and a fresca and head over to mom and dad to see them. I'll do Chippy's nighttime walk over there, so I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, it is like 10 after 9 now. Chip and I just got home from my mom and dad's. They just got back from their trip. So like I said earlier, I brought my supper over there because we had no power when I got home from work, but our power's back on now, and I just had Chip for his last pee, so we're in for the night. I didn't film anything really today, so I'm gonna try to film like my nighttime routine, which is getting stuff ready for work tomorrow and getting a shower and cleaning up a little bit. So I'm just gonna show you what I do at night before I go to bed. So I just go in the closet and I pick out a scrub top, and then I grab a pair of pants. So what I do is I literally just set these there on the counter. I just set out the stuff that I need to use for tomorrow. All I wear for makeup is brow gel and mascara, so I put that there too, so it's ready for the morning. My retainer here for the morning. My hair is extra frizzy because when I washed it, I didn't blow dry it, but that's okay. So now I'm just gonna pack my lunch for tomorrow so I can just grab it and go in the morning. I'm gonna have leftover chili again. There is a Nutri-Grain bar. I get to work at 8 and I don't eat breakfast before I go, so I usually bring a banana to have. And then I also brought an apple and an orange today, so I'm gonna do that again. Before I end the video, I'm just gonna go on my last video comments and answer some of those. I answer everybody's comments, so if you have any questions for me ever, just leave them in the comments of the video and I will get back to you for sure. I did on my Valentine's cupcakes from 2022, and they said, how much do you charge per dozen? So I used to charge $26 a dozen. Since everything has gone up in price. I changed it to $30 a dozen. I had to increase it by $4. The boxes that I got went up in price a little bit. Butter has gone up in price, and most baking ingredients have gone up in price. Somebody commented on another blog and said, have you decided on what you're baking for Valentine's Day? I do think I'm going to be selling some things for Valentine's Day. I'm just not sure what yet. I'll definitely do cakesicles because they were the biggest hit, and I might do cupcakes and shortbreads as well, but I'm not 100% sure on everything that I'm going to be selling. But I'm not going to be doing but I won't be doing too many things. Like, I'm going to keep it to like 3 things. Someone commented on my daily vlog number 5 where I made cakesicles and shortbreads. And they said, I don't understand how you make the cakesicles. You smashed the cake in the mold, you didn't pour it in. So what did you do? So a lot of people put the chocolate in the molds first, let that set, put the cake mixture in, and push that down, and then put more chocolate over top. I found that to be very time consuming, and sometimes they would break and the sticks wouldn't go in right. So I found this girl on TikTok. I think her name is Mia Stav. You should follow her. She's really great. But she has a cake business where she makes cakes and cakesicles. She doesn't do cupcakes. The way I make them is how she makes them, and I learned from her. But what she does is literally just take the mold, press the cake right into the mold, no chocolate, and then either I don't know if she freezes the cake in the molds, but I pop them in the freezer so they harden up a bit, or in the fridge to let them set. And sometimes, depending on your cake consistency, you don't have to put them in the fridge. So it's just the mold and then cake, and then once it's like cool enough, or if it sets enough, the stick is already in. You don't even have to put chocolate in, stick in the stick. It's just the stick right into the cake. Put them in the fridge or the freezer and let them set for a bit. And then you can pop them out. It's just cake on a stick, and then you dip it into melted chocolate. And I find that way saves so much time, and it's like a better chocolate to cake ratio. I find when I did it the other way, the chocolate on the outside was really, really thick, and I prefer it this way. So go watch the daily vlog number 5, and you can watch me make some cakesicles. A lot of people have been saying that they missed my videos and they're glad I'm making more videos again, so that's really nice. But that's most of the questions I've had. So if you do have any questions about cakes or anything really, ask them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them in another video. So I think I'm going to end the video there. I don't think it was much footage at all, but hopefully you enjoyed it. And before I end the vlog, I just want to shout out my nephew Nathan. He's almost at 200 subscribers, so I'm going to leave his channel over here if you want to go check him out. Nathan was down visiting for Christmas, so he was in a few of my earlier January vlogs, but he is on YouTube as well. So if you wanted to go check him out and subscribe to his channel, I'll leave it right here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.